Hey there! Today is a very exciting day for two reasons. One, my beautiful daughter is home on break from CU Boulder. And two, we're making Seitan buffalo wings. So I'm making them today for the big game, but I'm also teaching Nicole so she can bring back cruelty-free wings to college to make for her friends. We are going to add our flour. I'm using pastry flour, and then some garlic powder, parsley, paprika, some more onion powder this time, and some salt. There we go. You want to mix that together? Buffalo wings are such a popular thing here in the US, and I really wanted to create a cruelty-free version, and Seitan is the perfect alternative.
Does that look good?
It looks perfect. Now we are going to mix together our Vegg, which is an egg alternative, with our water. And I'm just gonna whisk it together. And this is really great because you can either fry these Seitan little wings, or like we're going to do today, we're going to bake them. There, and it's very smoothed out. So we are going to dip our Seitan in here and then into the flour. There you go. Perfect, yeah.
And just dunk it?
Yep. And then you'll want to flip it over so that you coat both sides, and that's perfect. You don't want too much coating on there, just lightly coated. All right, just shake off the excess. Great. Now we can get these into the oven. As the Seitan is baking, we're going to get our wing sauce together. So I'm going to add some Earth Balance, and then some Frank's Red Hot. I even hear that word and I start salivating. And then some vinegar, and I'm going to add some garlic salt also. I'm going to turn the heat on to low and just melt this. All right, let's check on these. They're perfect. All right, so we are going to take our Seitan wing and just flip it around just like that. And then we'll put it on our plate. You wanna try?
Of course. Sauce defines the wing, so I'm going to heavily coat it.
Perfect. They look pretty enticing, don't they? What do you think your friends will say about them?
I know, I love them. I don't know how anyone else could not. You don't even have to deal with the bone. Yum.
Oh my God.
I might go so far to say scrumptious.
They're amazing. Definitely make this recipe.
Thanks, Mom. This is much better than college food.
Thanks so much for joining me and Nicole in our vegan kitchen.